he's choosing his zero suit here, so not going with the Sheik actually.
And I mean, I think that's probably a good call because it's like Bowser is the heaviest character in the game. With Rage, you're gonna die so freaking early, and I feel like it's easier to close out stocks with zero suit.
And easier to stay safe, kind of like with the Ken situation with Sheik. You can safely space around Bowser, man, but if you overextend once, eat a back air, eat an up tilt.
Yeah, it's way too prone to trading in this matchup, or in the Sheik matchup.
And the trades are literally the worst possible.
Yeah.
You know, and you know, when I've seen Mars Leon the few times I have, when Mars plays on point, it doesn't look like Leon has many options. So.
Right. That being said, though, it's like Bowser is like definitely one of the quicker heavies. Like he should not be this quick, but it is still a really tough matchup, I feel like.
And this is the thing too, man. Like Hakii's like has very, very few weaknesses in his gameplay, but one of them is overextending. So like Bowser's gonna be able to abuse that to the max.
Right.
And not a good start here. Did a couple of unsafe aerials on Bowser's shield, got punished hard for them, and you know already eating at quite a deficit here. I mean he might need to take. Oh God.
That almost connected.
He lost his jump, but he let him live.
Oh,
and then
that's tragic.
Man, that could have been a 3-stock-to-1 lead.
Yeah.
And now it's 2-2 instead.
I mean, you can't blame Snore though, because it's hard to like believe that his ESS is gonna SD like that, because her recovery is so good, especially if you have flip kick. So it's like, I don't blame him for doing that, but that's just very unfortunate for him.
Yeah, I mean that's why it's so important to keep. Oh man, just calls at the down air raw. I don't know how he knew he would do it, but that's what Bowser's. They have those random reads sometimes. Like, how did he know?
He's 2 for 2 this game so far. One of the best anti-airs in the game.
Oh yeah, it has armor on it. Eat a lot of moves. The nair up air almost killing early. Oh my God.
That's pretty nuts. I was gonna say I'd probably like to see more Zairs in this matchup.
Yeah, I mean, even if Bowser punishes a well-spaced nair, you're not gonna be able to get a punish off of it.
Right.
See, like there, it's like he's so far from him. Can't up B that. No, but you know, I think Hakii adjusting to Bowser, the up air.
Wow.
Falling up air into up B confirmed.
Bowser's a big boy.
Reverse up B here. Doesn't get it though. Not the best hitbox, unfortunately. Yeah, catches the tech in place. That's the zero suit.
Yeah.
Classic.
Very nice. Oh, that's gonna do it. Wow.
Easily.
That was the first side B he threw this game.
Yeah, isn't that funny? Like he's actually been playing it that. Okay.
Oh my God.
The B reverse flame pip was a good idea, but not gonna work out. Just behind him.
Okay, that was a good jump. I do like the Zairs. I think that's so strong in this matchup.
Okay. Parry there, but what? Wow. Zero suit even up parry.
That's the thing. It's like Bowser does have tough guy, but I swear some jabs in this game, it doesn't matter that he is tough guy, because he could just confirm the jab combo and it just like knocks him down.
Oh, another parry side B, man. Snore loves getting these parries. He's getting them on every matchup I've seen him play today. Goes for the down B trump, but barely misses. Okay, covers all the tech options. Bowser, okay, no jump here.
Oh, wow.
Oh! Almost SD'd, but I like the attempt.
Oh, my gosh. 3 for 3.
This is the thing I like. Hakii, his overextensions, he does occasionally, and
right.
That up smash is going to punish that every time, any falling aerial.
I'd like to see more empty hops, because it's like Snore, he's not really doing like a whole lot of like bears or fairs. So it's like, I feel like empty hops wouldn't be that risky. And you can call out moves when they think you're going to come in, like for an up smash right there. If he just like empty hopped or went over it, he could just punish on that. But I mean, Snore's playing really well. The thing about his Bowser is like he's so patient. He just takes stage slowly but surely, and
he's definitely executing his game plan to perfection. Like he's waiting for Hakii to come to him with unsafe aerials, or even if they're safe, he's parrying them and punishing beautifully. So Zair into forward tilt. Looked pretty true. Okay. Eats the jump.
Oh, wow.
I don't think he died that correctly either, because
I don't think he was ready for it.
Yeah. Just destroying him for that option. Oh, the down air eats his down, or the up B eats his down air, and he goes for the up B, and the flip kick interrupted. What a weird interaction.
That was weird.
But yeah, now Hakii is going to be playing this lead.
Yeah. Like, Snore was definitely trying to scout out that down B. He was trying to out smash it. Just didn't start it up.
Okay, gets the down air punish. Nair in the back air and gets the flip kick, but no jump, no spike though. Oh my.
No,
wow,
my gosh. He's been missing those today.
I think he knew the up B maybe wouldn't kill, so actually I like the effort on it. And tries to get the reversal on down B. Gets it that time. But Bowser's still living.
Honestly, I would have just traded there. I would have just up B'd.
Yeah. Guess he wants to maybe, oh, that's, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't do it, and now it's 2 stocks to 2. That might have been the best move, to be honest.
Rage Bowser, that's not someone to mess with. That'll do it, though.
Yeah, you know, Snore's been teching in place a lot. But to be fair, Bowser's tech roll sucks. He can cover mostly everything anyways.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, it's a Nair.
Oh my god. That Nair is like busted too. It'll do like, I think it's like 20-something damage.
Oh, and true combos into most of his aerials.
Right.
No jump.
Early percentage. Oh
yeah.
my god.
Recognizes the lack of resources.
Right.
See, that's how fragile Zero Suit can be. As many options as she has, as many timings, you get one jump, you get one flip kick, and you could die early.
Once you lose either one of them, flip kick or jump, it's like her recovery does become pretty linear to an extent if you're way out there on the blast zone.
Yeah, and that was just, he was in the worst position possible there.
Right.
Man, he's trading arrows with Bowser. I don't like this, man.
Oh my
God. What? Just got the weak hit.
Yeah, that's really unlucky, actually.
That's like the 3rd time this happened, too. Man, he's just kind of racking up the rage for Bowser here. You know. And
oh my lord.
This is not Hakii. Just trying to keep him away, but the Fair going to chase him down.
Be careful with those.
Bowser's ledge trapping so deadly. Zare's right in front of him and gets the jab. That is ballsy. And the up air off the Nair is going to do it. Wow. Snore going up 2-0. Oh my
finals, so
god.
I'm pretty sure it's best of 5.
Yeah.
Although it does say best of 3 on there, so we still got a set going here.
Oh my goodness, man. What a conversion. And Hakii down 2-0. We'll see what he goes with. Change of characters? No, sticking with the ZSS. You know, for such a counter, you know, as Hakii is notorious for his counter picking. So I think he's really trying to make a concerted effort here. He's like, even if I lose this, I want to learn the matchup.
I mean, they've both been pretty winnable, but like, and to be fair, game 2 did look better. He was using more Zaire, spacing aerials properly. But yeah, shut up.
So you know, I don't know if Snore's. I don't know if he's banning FD or Town, but I would go there if Zero Suit because he's getting these side views on the platforms and killing insanely early. Right. So I don't know why Hakii refuses to counter pick stages. You know, man, it's crazy. Like as busted as Nair flip kick is, if you miss it, you're in such a bad spot.
Oh wow!
He
finally gets the spike. That's the first spike he's had this whole time.
He's literally missed it like almost every time. Yeah.
Right.
You know, Hakii started out hot before though, and Snore brought it back. So he's gonna need to get a hefty lead to make sure this is completely sealed.
One thing I will say is Snore, I haven't really seen the spot dodge like that. Oh, okay. Never mind, spot dodge. I was like, I feel like grab would be very strong because he's usually going for that parry. Oh my gosh. I gotta be careful with that. Really good drift back by Snore right there.
Oh, catches the catches the aggressive option back to stage, and
it's not like he's spamming the up smash, but he's hit like every one. He's like 4 for 4 or 5 for 5 right now.
And when you get caught with a flame breath in that situation, you're taking 50% at least. Okay. Yeah, tries to bait out the down air, no jump. Gets it there, yeah. Whoa, doesn't die, man.
Should be dead.
Oh, no jump though!
Oh, wow.
And that's gonna be a trade in Snore's favor. 1-1.
I'm sorry, what did he hit him with there? Was that just up B?
Yeah, or I couldn't actually tell, to be honest.
Yeah, I don't know. If he paired him, that was genius.
Oh my god, man. Snore is getting down in these games, and now that's going to be a true combo into 53%. My god, Hakii's lost all his momentum. Snore with everything going his way, getting the back air.
He went for it again.
And he should have had it, to be honest, but Hakii's barely spacing out of it.
Oh, no.
Oh my God! The Zaire jab has been working for him though in the corner.
It is really good, yeah. Even when it's been parried, he still gets it.
Oh, goes deep for it, and gets the dynamite dies!
Oh, wow.
Oh my God!
Must have star KO'd because I feel like he was dying there, no doubt.
Snore had all the momentum. He had everything going his way, and now.
Damn.
That's the worst thing you want to do is give the #1 in the city a breath of life like that.
I respect that though, because it worked. He just got star KO'd, so that was pretty unlucky.
Dude, sometimes this game straight up comes down to RNG, bro.
That's the way she goes. As a Jigs main, I know that. I'll do a rest off stage. I die, they get star KO'd. I'm just like, okay.
My God.
Great game.
Well, Hakii was granted a life there, to say the least, by the Smash Gods.
Looks like we got a every game PS2 this
That's what it's going to be.
Yeah. There's a lot of damage. Yeah, it's interesting. Bowser has multiple ways of like getting one combo into like 50 damage.
That's what he does, man.
Yeah.
She's going to parry back air there. Interesting option.
Oh. That was solid. That was so close. I felt like he almost could have got the ladder, but I mean, obviously, Snore kind of panicked out of it with the dare, so it could have worked, but just ain't do nothing about it.
Okay. I think he could have whip punished that dash or that give attack a little harder.
Wow.
Dude,
unlucky.
Yeah, poor Bowser's so big.
Yeah.
Even that's gonna be space to catch roll as well. But it was on the other side, so
oh no,
he's fine.
Missed the platform.
Oh, jumps on top of him.
That was a really good up smash. Because I feel like even if he dared there, he gets caught because of the multi hit and maybe even down B. So that was a good option.
Back throw not gonna do it.
Oh my gosh. Almost going for mid stage.
Going for the down B trump. Doesn't get it. The Hakii living till 150 to stock. Jinxed him, of course.
Good trade, good trade.
But I mean, he'll take that as long, like if he can live till that much every
16.
stock, he'll definitely take that.
Okay.
Tried the sliding up tilt, that was kind of sick. There. Oh, that up. He is so accurate with that move.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like every single time he's throwing, he's got like at least a 70 or 80% hit rate on that. And man, I mean, Hakii had kind of controlled this game.
Oh, man.
Gets the trade not in his favor.
I like that option though. He mixed it up instead of just falling with the nair. He did a short hop in the range and then covered jump with bair, but he just didn't go for it.
Yeah, man. Now he's down a deficit here. Almost eats the up smash on the platform, but gets the side B to follow up and almost lapping him in percent. Not looking good for our hero here.
Yeah, this is quite the deficit. Oh,
Gets
wow.
the falling up air, man.
Yeah.
He could have even converted that even harder. Gets the nair. And gets his jump in here and just...
I believe. Okay. Good thing he didn't panic and do it down B.
Okay, is that going
dead.
to be? Yes. Oh, and he dies.
Damn.
Snore with the 3-1 over our #1. His second tournament, he got third in downtown Austin and Valhalla, and now sitting in grand finals of his first Bon Air. What an entrance from the newcomer, man.
People better not sleep on him because he's been making waves. He's
Yeah,
been here for like a week or two.
No pun intended, by the way.
Yeah. And he's nasty.
Oh my God, man. Whoa, my gosh.
And I don't know who's on the side of losers.
Also, we still in bracket. Broken, maybe.
Okay, so we do have some heavy hitters.
Who else? Maybe. Honestly, besides that, couldn't tell you.
And now Hakii, but yeah. I mean, I guess we're about to see right here.
Also, have you ever seen Brown Bowser?
No, it's a weird pick. Usually don't see that one. But I respect it. It's solidarity.
So it looks like Broken's coming up, possibly?
That's what it looks like. He's hovering around the setup.
Yes.
Versus Bueno. Okay.
Oh, man.
And this is an interesting matchup. Not one you see too often because both these characters are somewhat rare in their own regard, but